Guys, right here, check this out. This thing is huge. US Creative Space. This is a dry erase mobile whiteboard. It's a whiteboard on wheels, and you can flip it around because you got two sides of this whiteboard. Let's go ahead and unbox and set this thing up. And let's unbox this thing. Whoa, look at this. This is what it comes with right here. This is the entire box. We got these magnets here. Oh, it comes with a marker and eraser as well. More magnets right here. Magnetic ruler, sweet. We got some legs right here. Open this up. Yeah! Let's get this out of the way. Okay, we have some accessories right here. Whoa, look at that. Wheels, caps, more wheels, and you have all the gears and bolts that you need to assemble it. We have our legs right here. Let's get our pieces out, line up. Ah, here's the board. We also have a magnetic planner right here, a weekly planner. Oh yeah, there's our board. Nice, it's lightweight. So right here, guys, we got the coolest assembly instruction. Let's go. All right, step number 0. These are all the pieces. This piece, this is the G piece. Make sure we line up the holes with these holes right here. Okay, and now we just tighten them up just a little bit. We don't need these very tight. So let's go ahead and flip this board over here. And flip this one more time right here. So on this side, we get this piece again right here. Again, line up with the 4 holes right here. And using the same types of screws we did on the other side, we're gonna screw this piece right on here. All right, slightly snug the screws in, not too tight. This part right here, it's got these screw holes right here. And we get this part right here, connect them together as such. Yeah, they fit inside, kind of. Yeah, okay, they do fit inside. Once they fit inside, you got to line up the screws right here, and you screw them together. Perfect. And just screw this in just like that. Solid. There we go. Get one more right here. There we go. Just tighten this up a little bit. That's it. Solid. What we need is this one with the 2 holes here and the 2 holes here, and the screw holes down here, which we attach to this piece right here. There we go. And then we can screw this in just like we did on the other side. Tighten this up. There we go. Snug it up. Okay, solid. All right, so we have these 2 pieces. Okay, so now we have the wheels right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and twist the wheels on here. So first wheel is tight, so it's tight in here, but the wheels are flexible and loose here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and get the other one right here. All right, wheels are tightened, solid, and these are still flexible and loose. All right, perfect. We got the first set right here. We got this piece, and the 2 wheels. Repeat this for the other side, all right? This part is a C part. You see we have this big hole here and 2 screws, and this part is the tray. So here we go, we line up this part with this right here, line them up together. And on the other side, we should see everything line up over here. So you see how the screw holes line up with this big round hole right here? You might need to slide it a little bit to make sure everything lines up. So this is the tray unit. We'll put this down here for a second. This is the wheel assembly we had earlier. We just line this up. Keep the big holes on the outside. Keep the small holes on the inside, okay? So small holes right there. We're gonna go ahead and put the screw right through it. All right, we got 2 screws, so let's get another one. You got the screw will line up inside, so just watch out for the threads inside right there. There we go, screw it in. Solid. All right, nice and snug on this one too. Once you have them nice and snug, add this little cap right here. Just cap it up. Boop. Now it looks nice and clean. Here's another cap. Just put it on. Boop. Now it looks nice and clean. Cool. Other side. So now we have this side right here, and we're starting to put the frame together here. So let's put this to the side right here, and we can pick up this piece right here. Remember, the big hole is on the outside right here. These are the bigger holes right here. Keep the big holes on the outside. So we can go ahead and line this up right here and put our screws through it. Okay, the frame is coming into the picture. And then we get our caps right here. Cap it up. That's good. Let's get another cap. Cap up the hole right there. Boom. That looks nice and clean and smooth. All right, how we doing? How we doing? All right, I think we did that on both sides. Oh, on the bottom here, we have a little bar right here. This bar is for stability. So same thing, 4 screws on the bottom bars and the caps too. So here's our bottom bar right here. So this bar is lining up right here, and we're doing the same thing for this bottom bar right here. So right here, make sure this bar right there is kind of in line over here on the other side. You can rest it down right there, and you can start to screw this one in over here. So let's get ahead and screw this one right here. So then we repeat the same thing over there. So here we go. Let me go ahead and turn this around. Turn this around right here so we can work on this side right here. So same thing, lifting this piece up on here. Let's put 2 bolts on this one over here. Get our Allen wrench right here. And we'll tighten this guy up right here too. Now we get our caps right here. Cap it up. Nice. Cap this one up. Nice, solid. Let's go ahead and do the other side again. Turn this around on this side. Got our 2 caps right here. Cap that. And cap that. Okay, the 2 caps are on. Let's see what else we need to do. Okay, on a few steps. Here we got the big hole right here and 2 screw holes right here. It'll line up with this part right here. So let's go ahead and line this up right here. And then we can put the screws right here. And another screw right here. And we'll just screw this down. Perfect. Okay, so now we got the frame all done. All we need to do is put this piece onto the board right here. And we're gonna go ahead and put the handle right here onto this piece. So let's go ahead and twist the handle on right here. So we're gonna go ahead and point this straight down and tighten this so now it's easy to align it with the frame over there. So repeat on this side as well, right here. But there we go. So now this is on. All we need to do is slide the board on top here. And we should be good. So let's grab this board right here. Slide this on top here. Both sides. And we'll get this side right here. And that's it. Oh yeah, that's in right there. And this one's in there. Oh yeah, that's it. We're done. The board is now installed, guys. Now that the board is installed, guys, super easy to flip it. Just hold this button right here. Flip it right here. Other side. Flip it to the other side. Nice. Oh yeah, here's our nice whiteboard. Oh yes, here it is. Looking so nice. Remove the protective film on this side right here. We got a weekly planner there as well. Oh yeah, so we got the weekly planner there. Boom. Open up this box of magnets right here. Use them however you want. And then we got markers. We got a ruler. Boom. Magnetic as well. Everything sticks. Yes. Here's our eraser. Put this on a tray. We got our markers. We got 4 markers. We got red, black, blue, and another black right here. So you can write whatever you want. Hello. There we go. And if we need to, we can just simply erase it. Boom. Like that. Awesome. Good to go. Flip it on the other side. Nice clean board. Awesome. My mobile whiteboard is installed. It looks good. We can move this around. It is so nice. And there we have it, guys. A US Creative Space mobile whiteboard installed, ready to go.